Nutmeg is used as a treatment for arthritis, fatigue, muscle aches, poor circulation, and rheumatism, making it a valuable addition to many aromatherapy blends, adding warmth, spice, and originality when used in very small amounts. It's valuable oil for its anti-inflammatory benefits as well as a digestive aid for eliminating flatulence, diarrhea, and vomiting. It encourages the appetite and it prevents constipation and fights gallstones. It also supports the reproductive system and helps with scanty periods, relieves frigidity, and impotence. During childbirth, it can be helpful in aiding labor by strengthening contractions. Nutmeg can be used in soaps, candle making, dental products, and hair lotions. Therapeutic properties of nutmeg oil are analgesic, anti-rheumatic, antiseptic, antispasmodic, carminative, digestive, enemagogue, laxative, stimulant, and tonic. If used in large amounts, it could cause toxic symptoms and cause nausea. Avoid use during pregnancy. Nutmeg is a middle note.